After reaching the age of 60, every single step can feel like a silent battle. But what if your kitchen held the secret to supporting your mobility? Joint stiffness and the sound of cracking bones are not just signs of aging. They are cries for help from a body that needs deeper nutritional support. Degenerative joint challenges are not an inevitable end. The secret lies in supporting collagen type 2 and the synovial fluid from deep within your cells. Science shows us that the right nutrients can act as building blocks. We can actually support the biological repair of the wear that decades of movement left behind. Welcome to a journey of health through science and flavor. Today we explore 5 golden foods that can help you maintain your youthful physical flexibility. Based on the latest clinical evidence, these nutritional powerhouses go beyond simple eating. They are keys to supporting your body's vital structural connective tissues. We will look at how specific molecules interact with your joints. Let us start with the first essential category that acts as a natural lubricant for movement. This vital protein is the foundation of healthy cartilage. Without it, our joints lose their cushion. These 5 foods are designed to promote its natural production. Imagine walking through the park without that sharp, biting discomfort. It is possible when you provide your body with the targeted biological resources it deserves. The first group of golden foods is often called the natural oil for your joints. Let us dive into the world of fatty fish and omega-3. Salmon and other fatty fish are excellent for joint health. They are packed with potent compounds that help manage the fires of chronic joint discomfort. When cooked gently, these fish release essential fatty acids. These oils act like high-grade lubricant for your skeletal system, making movement feel much smoother. The omega-3 molecules found in fish like salmon are bioavailable. They work at a cellular level to support the enzymes that maintain your cartilage. By managing this internal swelling, fish oil helps to preserve the integrity of the joint space. This is crucial for anyone over 60 looking to stay active. Beyond just the joints, salmon supports the mTOR signaling pathway. This process is vital for maintaining the muscle mass that protects your aging bones. Just 100 grams of salmon provides over 2,000 milligrams of omega-3. This high concentration makes it one of the most efficient foods for health. To maximize benefits, try steaming your fish with ginger. This method preserves the delicate oils while making the protein easy for your digestive system to process. Including fatty fish in your diet twice a week is like giving your body a regular maintenance check. It keeps the internal machinery running without friction. Strong muscles are the best armor for your joints. The high-quality protein in fish ensures that your support system remains robust as you age through the years. Flavor and health go hand in hand with this choice. It is a delicious way to support your body without relying solely on synthetic or heavy interventions. Make this your first step toward a more active life. Next, we look at a traditional remedy that provides the very essence of what cartilage is made of. Bone broth is often called liquid gold for the joints. It is a slow-cooked elixir that extracts the fundamental components of skeletal strength and structural health. As we simmer bones and ligaments, we release glucosamine and chondroitin. These are the natural compounds that support the resilience of your moving parts. This broth is a direct source of collagen type 2. It provides the specific amino acids your body needs to support the worn-down surfaces of your joints. Think of it as biological support. The nutrients in bone broth help reinforce the structure and promote a smoother gliding surface within the joint. Hydration is key for joint shock absorption. Chondroitin helps your cartilage hold on to water, ensuring that every step you take is supported by a resilient spring. Sipping a warm cup of bone broth daily is a comforting ritual. It delivers support deep into your system while warming your body from the inside out. For those over 60, we recommend skimming the excess fat. This keeps the broth light and easy to digest while focusing on the collagen-building minerals inside. Bone broth also promotes the production of IGF-1. This growth factor is essential for maintaining connective tissues that have faced years of constant use. This natural hormonal support is a game changer for aging adults. It signals your cells to favor the renewal process, rather than just accepting the decline. Simple, honest ingredients lead to profound health results. By making your own broth, you control the quality and ensure you are getting the purest nutrition possible. Cooking can be a labor of love for your future self.
Now, let us look at two powerful spices that act as nature's most effective regulators of discomfort.
Turmeric is not just a spice. It is a powerful natural compound. Its active component, curcumin, is a legendary warrior against chronic joint swelling. Paired with ginger, these two roots form a powerful duo. Gingerol in ginger works synergistically with turmeric to manage the signals of discomfort in the body. Golden milk is a delicious way to consume these benefits. Adding a pinch of black pepper is essential, as it increases curcumin absorption by 2,000%. This molecular action provides a gentle, natural way to manage daily discomfort. It offers a way to support your joints without the harsh effects of some alternatives. A warm cup of this tea in the morning can help reduce that early day stiffness. It prepares your joints for movement by calming the tissues and the system. Many seniors find that regular consumption of turmeric helps them manage their physical comfort. It is a safer path to a much more active and mobile lifestyle. Nature provides the best pharmacy. These roots have been used for thousands of years, and modern science is finally catching up to their incredible potential. Unlike some synthetic options, these spices support your liver and heart while helping your joints. It is a holistic approach that benefits your entire body as you age. Transforming your evening routine with these ingredients can lead to better sleep. When your joints are comfortable, your body can finally, truly rest and recover. Take a moment each day to nourish your foundation. These spices are your internal shield against the wear and tear of time and constant physical activity. Now that we have managed the discomfort, let us look at the leafy green protectors that keep your connective tissues strong and your reflexes sharp today. Dark leafy greens are the ultimate guardians of your connective tissues. They are packed with a specific symphony of vitamins that most people over 60 lack. Vitamin K is the secret hero here. It acts as a traffic controller, ensuring that calcium goes directly into your bones rather than settling in your arteries. This process is vital for maintaining density and structural health. By eating greens, you are supporting your skeletal frame while keeping your joints flexible. This bone trinity works together to create a resilient structural system. Leafy greens provide all three in a form that your aging body can easily recognize. The antioxidants in these vegetables protect your cartilage cells from oxidative stress. This helps manage the rusting of your joints that leads to stiffness. Lightly steaming your greens helps unlock these nutrients while keeping the fiber intact. It is a simple way to ensure you are getting the most protection possible. Greens also contain sulforaphane, a compound that can support the joints against destructive enzymes. It is like putting a protective shield around every joint. Engaging with your food from the ground up adds to the health process. Freshness matters when it comes to the potency of these vital plant compounds. Furthermore, greens support acetylcholine production. This helps seniors stay steady on their feet and manage their coordination during movement. Every bite of green is a step towards stability. It is about more than just joints. It is about the total coordination of your entire moving body. Fill your plate with color to protect your future. Finally, we explore the bright citrus fruits that act as the master builders of your body's collagen. Citrus fruits are much more than just a source of vitamin C. They are the essential catalysts that turn protein into the cartilage your joints need. Without enough vitamin C, your body cannot produce collagen effectively. It is the primary architect for the maintenance of your joint tissue today. This biological glue ensures that your ligaments and tendons remain elastic. For those over 60, maintaining this elasticity is key to staying mobile. Think of it as reinforcing the foundations of your house. Vitamin C ensures the materials are bonded, making your joints capable of handling daily physical stress. Starting your day with citrus can jumpstart your metabolism and your health. It provides a burst of energy and the raw materials for tissue maintenance all day. When your joints are well supported, movement becomes a joy again. You will notice the difference in your stride and the ease with which you climb stairs. Citrus also helps maintain the volume of your synovial fluid. This is the natural lubricant that keeps your hinges moving smoothly during your walks. It is a simple formula for success. Combine your bone broth or fish with a source of citrus to unlock the maximum potential for your joint health. Keeping up with the next generation requires a body that can move.
Citrus gives you that extra edge by keeping your structural tissues resilient and youthful.
Even a simple squeeze of lemon in your water can make a difference over time. Consistency is the most important factor in seeing real, lasting physical changes. Embrace the power of these bright fruits. They are nature's way of keeping us vibrant, flexible, and ready for whatever adventures the day may bring to us. These 5 golden foods are your toolkit for a new life. Combined, they offer a strategy to manage inflammation and support your body's vital joint cartilage. Nutrition is the foundation, but movement is the catalyst. When you fuel your body correctly, exercise becomes a reward rather than a chore for your joints. Every firm step is a testament to your commitment. By choosing the right foods today, you are investing in a future where you remain independent and active. You have the power to change your story. Aging does not have to mean decline. It can be a time of discovery and continued physical strength and health. Do not let joint discomfort steal yung kwankakuyanay. Reclaim your ability to dance, to walk, and to play with those you love without limitations. Your joints can thrive if you give them the right environment. These 5 foods provide the biological conditions for your body to perform its natural processes. The journey begins in your kitchen. Start by adding just one of these foods today and feel the difference that real, science-based nutrition can make in your life. Thank you for joining us on this path to vitality. Stay consistent, stay positive, and remember that your health is your most valuable asset at any age. If you found this helpful, please subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Together, we could build a community that thrives and stays active for many years. May your steps be light and your heart be full. We wish you a life of joy, mobility, and enduring strength. See you in our next video.